Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, I really want to extend the welcome high and make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you leave. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my version of Rosemary Gladstar's Fire Cider. It is a apple cider vinegar based tincture with spicy foods, onion, garlic, hot peppers, ginger, and I'm going to show you how to do it and why you want to do this. Thanks. So I'm working on this in my kitchen, and I'm going to keep making clips to show you the progress. And what you want to do is start with a large, like gallon-sized jar, so that you have enough to make for yourself and probably friends and family for the winter. So the reason why you would want to make this kind of tonic remedy is that in the cold winter months, your system can be kind of sluggish, and you need some spice, some heat to move the circulation, to bring oxygen to organ systems, and just to bring a little heat on those really cold days. So this is wonderful for a cold and flu kind of preventative, kind of jump-starting your digestion, moving your body, because movement is what's really important. And if you can't always move, if you physically cannot, taking spices and herbs that move for you in your body is a great alternative. So far I have cut a small layer, about 1 inch of onions, and now I'm going to make another layer on top of this of hot peppers. And then I'm going to keep layering until I get about a little over halfway. So I'll keep showing you the progress as I go. The onions are from the store. The hot peppers are all grown from my garden, so I know that they're super good and super hot. Okay, so I'm back, and I have added some extra layers here. I have ginger now, cubed. So let me do a little explanation. I like to do what is called the simpler's approach, and I learned this from Rosemary Gladstar. I'm not a baker. Bakers usually do exact measurements, and I've never been that kind of person. So when you make this, and a lot of the nutritive kind of herbal remedies, you can do what is called the simpler's approach, where it's like you approximate measurements. So I cut up 1.5 onions because I had half already cut, and I did another large onion. I did a handful of hot peppers, and they're jalapenos, and another kind of red pepper that I don't remember what I planted, but spicier than the jalapeno. Now, I don't like to make my fire cider, and I really need to come up with my own name. Maybe I will by the time I write this description, but I don't like it super hot, because then my kids won't take it, and I don't want it. So I want heat. I left seeds in, just a thin layer of the hot peppers. So then I have added chunks of ginger, and I'm actually going to add some more ginger, like what you see here again, because I love ginger. I love the digestive properties. I love the taste of it. I cut the peel off and just put squares in here. So as you're making this, you can kind of go by what flavoring you know that you like. So I will wind up adding quite a bit of garlic, and so on. So I'll come back when I've gone a little bit further with this. Okay, so my fire cider mixture is getting higher. I have added more ginger root cubed, and I have added about 7 pieces of turmeric, which is so amazing. It stains your hands yellow. It's just like the most amazing spice. And if I had more on hand, I probably would add more turmeric to this. And in fact, I'm going to the store a little bit later today, so I'll probably try to pick up a little bit more turmeric root to add to this batch. So what I'm going to do next is add cloves of garlic. I'm going to peel them and smash them a little bit, and just do another maybe 2-inch layer with garlic, another layer of onion, and then I'll probably add a little bit more turmeric, and then my apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to go add my garlic and onion and come back. Okay, so one last time, I've returned. The jar is now almost 3/4 full. I put in a good layer of garlic, peeled garlic. You can see it here. And I have another large onion that I sliced. So this is ready. It smells great. I'm going to cover everything with apple cider vinegar. So here we go. Filling up everything and then leaving about a 1/2 inch headspace at the top, so it's not like to the tippy top. Oh, it smells so good. Putting the lid on. It looks delicious too. And then I have to go back in the kitchen and label. And I like to use blue painter's tape because it's easy to remove. And I'm going to put the ingredients, the date, the liquid, which is apple cider vinegar, and let this sit on my sunny windowsill for 2 weeks at least. You know, probably should do 4 weeks for this. One thing you can do if you are making this is slightly warm your apple cider vinegar before you pour it into the jug, and that will help pull the properties out. Now, I have a very sunny windowsill in my kitchen, so I don't usually heat things beforehand because the sun really warms it up. And then I will be straining this off and squeezing out what I can to save the rest of the liquid. And then I will add honey, a little bit of honey, not equal parts, probably about 1 cup of honey to this, whatever liquid I have left. So I'm gonna guess we'll probably have about 3/4 of this vinegar left when all of the material is removed. And then I will add honey, warmed honey to this, and that will be my fire cider, which, like I said, I want to come up with my own name. I don't have my own name at the moment, but hopefully I do by the time you see this in the description. So thanks for coming to another video, and make a comment, a nice comment, and hit the like button, because all of those things helps my videos show up higher in the YouTube algorithm. So thank you, and have a very nice day.